welcome to another project here with Earthworks. So we, if you guys aren't watching our social media content on Facebook and some other areas, if you're not aware, we are teaming up with the sanctuary here on 8th. And today we are going to be doing some veggie garden. So John brought his time lapse out. We got about a half an hour or so till the kids are out here. So it's kind of our little countdown, and we're going to be working on these 2 gardens you see in front of us, and trying to help educate some kids on where vegetables come from. So what are we going to start with first, Matt?
We're going to clean up the beds. So we are going to get the weeds out of here because we wanted this to be a weed-free garden. So we're going to get it kind of down to ground zero, get it cleaned up, rake it up a little bit, get some of the old sticks and debris, move the irrigation off to the side. Then we're going to add some soil amendments. So we brought some biotone, some wild earth mix, which is like a compost mix, a little bit of mushroom compost. Blend that into the soil a little bit, get it nice and smooth and clean and ready for the kids to do some planting with us.
So I'm mixing it in. The smell will go away just a little bit. I'm mixing it in. It's good fertilizer.
Hello, Mr. Matt!
Are you my gardening buddies today?
Yeah!
All right, cool. All right, so I brought, well, we got a microphone on because we got a camera over there. You guys want to wave to the camera?
Wait.
We are going to be planting some vegetables. We're going to be planting some seeds. I brought some seeds for some green beans.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay!
And we just finished getting the soil ready. So the soil that was in there before was just a little sleepy. It was a little tired, so we woke it up.
What?
Put some fresh soil in there. And we got some sweet peppers too.
Ew. Hot pepper. But they better not be hot and spicy.
No, these are going to be very mild.
Remember, don't touch. Remember, don't get down, please.
Get one in front of everybody. And then we're going to put,
Plant them in just a little bit.
yep, and we're going to put a tomato right in the middle. We're going to do one of them. I'm going to show you how to do it.
Do you guys know what this plant is that he has right there?
No.
Any guesses?
Yes. Pepper.
No.
Potato.
What'd you say?
Tomato.
Yeah! So we're going to have a shovel. And dig a little hole. And you might find some roots. So if we find some roots and you need some help, let us know, okay? And then what I'm going to do is we take the plastic pot off. We stick it in the soil like that, and then we put the soil. All right, Nehemiah, you're going to have you go first, okay? So what I'm going to do is going to make this little spot like this so you can see where it goes. So you dig a hole right there.
Nehemiah get his hands. I'm scared of that.
Sorry, you can wash your hands. You get a little dirty.
Dirt's good.
Yeah.
No, you can probably do this.
Oh yeah.
I have plants at my house. That's it. I got a whole garden.
Nice.
With a tree in the middle.
Nice. You found some roots down there?
Yeah.
You can put it right in that hole.
Look at these roots.
It's looking good.
That is a bunch.
There we go. Now we're going to fill it back in.
I hope I dig it like this so I can hit the root. Like,
Perfect. Nehemiah?
Can I dig to the side?
It's perfect.
I want mine to stay up though. I want some of it.
Yeah. It will. All right, so I'm going to hold this back just a little bit. We're going to plant yours a little bit further, okay? Right here.
I need a shovel. Can I just?
Yes, you can.
Yeah, so why can't he hold his own shovel?
What's that? Well, because we're doing it one at a time.
Dig?
Yes, but it's come this way. It's coming in a little bit more. There you go. If you want to use 2 hands, you can use 2 hands. There you go. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Kyree, all right.
I have a lot of these at my house.
Yeah?
My grandma want me to help her every day with these.
She likes to garden? Oh. You keep wanting to throw the dirt away.
I can't get this. Okay.
You're getting it? Nice.
What do you guys think?
And then I actually use it to pat it down.
Yeah. That's good. Kendall. All right. Here, let me bring this right here.
Tomato.
All right.
I'm sorry, tomato.
Tomato.
Tomato. Very fancy sounding.
This is how you dig when you're crazy. Oh, the smell is. Oh! The smell is back.
Yeah?
That's because he's digging.
There we go. I think that's pretty close. You want to go ahead and take that tomato out and see if it fits in there?
Yeah.
There you go.
I'm magic.
That's good. Now go ahead and make your hole bigger.
The snake. It's a snake.
Isn't it beautiful?
Where I can see it.
You want to see it? You want to take a break? You can put your shovel down.
Look, film it.
He was. We did. You late to the party, man. He already did. It's up here.
It's turning this way.
Don't get too close. You're scaring it. Look, you're scaring it. Be careful.
It's going underground. It's going underground. Move that thing. Wow. Oh, that's a bunch of seeds. Oh no! It's a snake.
All right, I'm giving you this shovel because he started his. Go ahead and just make it a little bit bigger. We're almost there. I think it's ready. You want to take it out of its pot? There you go. And put it right in there. There we go. All right.
Need water.
Success.
Time to put mine in. Oh, for real?
Yeah, you're ready. You are ready. You want to take the pot off?
What is that? Green pepper too.
Yeah.
4 green peppers, 2 tomatoes.
Now this one's going to be a little yellow pepper, but sweet.
Really?
A little yellow sweet pepper, yeah. Let me stand it up a little bit. There we go. Let's get that dirt all around it.
Wait, still got dirt all around it.
Yeah, he's pretty good.
I gotta pat mine all around.
Yep.
Pat. Yeah, we did it! Wait, this I know.
Oh, good job. I'm proud of you, Val.
I should be proud of you.
Hey, y'all.
Also be proud of me.
Can y'all stand behind the plant y'all just planted, please?
We got an automatic watering system here with these lines, but they may need to be checked every so often to make sure that okay, you want to fill the dirt in here? I'm going to hold it straight up.
Is this how you do
looks
it
good to
carefully
me.
with a
So
shovel?
what you want is you want the top of this root ball above the ground. So I'd go ahead and do a little more like that. Oh, no, you
Okay.
I want two.
Now try it.
Oh, this one's
I
fair.
know.
I'm getting two.
I put one like right up here.
I did it!
Put one up here.
There we go.
I did it!
Very good. It's perfect. We got some seeds. I got some green beans.
Yes! Yo, see. Oh, try your thing! No, this one. This is warm. This is really warm.
That's a good activity for him.
Really warm. Hey. Spread it everywhere. Everywhere. Spread it everywhere.
All right.
Don't listen to what he had to say.
This is what the seed looks like.
That's a bean. That looks like a bean. Put it in there. I already did one for you.
Well, so I just make a little hole.
Like this?
Look how little that is. Why don't we make a bunch of holes?
Yeah, make a
And then we
bunch
can
of
drop
holes,
them in. Make a bunch of holes. Well, not real close. We got to spread them out. Make a bunch of holes.
I'm already going. I'm already going.
You need to slow your roll. Thank you.
I did it to my top knuckle. Look, I'm already going.
I see you doing a good
I did it
job.
right here. I did it. I don't like the
Here we go. You ready for some beans?
Look at
Okay, put one in each hole. Just one in a hole, and then cover it up.
this hole. So like
You
this.
gotta cover it up.
Yep, and then cover it up.
Cover it up. There you go.
Yeah, one in this hole. One in this hole. Whoa, I'm gonna get Vanova. What if we put two in one hole?
Well, you can, but it's better if you spread them out because they're going to be much happier and they're going to grow better if they're spread out a little bit.
Nehemiah, you need to.
Can I get some more seeds?
Yeah, you may.
Make a hole for somebody. I'm making holes.
I got some holes. Look, I got some holes here. Then you need to drop some seeds in. Drop one in right in there. Drop one right in there, and then cover it up. I wanted Mr. Henry to be in charge of this garden because you all planted it, but Mr. Henry is going to make sure that the plants grow. Okay. And he's going to make sure that the little guys don't jump in the gardens inside the beds and climb inside of them. We can't climb in the gardens. We can't walk in the gardens. We have to only walk around the outside of the gardens, okay?
We don't lettuce here and the snails come to eat.
Well, if they come to eat them, then we got to pick the snails off and throw them away. So we could throw them way over on the other side over there in the playground and get them as far away. And that could actually be something that's a fun activity, is like go on a snail hunt, see who can catch the most snails and get them out of the garden.
Oh, and then walk away and get hot chocolate.
I don't know. That's up to y'all.
I want the blue hot dog.
Okay.
All right, guys. I am so glad that you guys helped me, and we're going to come back and we'll help you guys put some more things in this garden over here next time we come. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
And you guys will help me plant some more? Awesome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks, you guys.
Thank you.